What is going on, people? Welcome back to another video on AJ5, and in today's video guys we do have a price update, price prediction on DDX Derivadao, which has pumped up 122% in the last 24 hours, making it $1.58. So again, it wasn't even in the last 24 hours. I would say it was in the last 3 to 4 hours that it's pumped up in value. It was literally sitting around 72 cents, and in the space of 2 to 3 hours it's literally pumped all the way up to 198, and then right now it's slowly started to drop back down to 160. So is it going to keep dropping? Is it going to go back up in value? That's what we're going to be going through in today's video, looking at, is it a good investment right now? Is it too late to get into it? Should you sell it? Should you hold on to it? Looking at both buyers and sellers' point of view, and obviously I'm going to give you guys my prediction over the next couple of hours, days, weeks, months, and overall in 2022, looking at how high and how low this crypto can go. But before I get into all of that stuff, guys, if you're new to the channel and haven't subscribed yet, make sure to go down and smash that subscribe button, as well as like the video, as I'm trying to hit 100,000 subscribers by the end of the year. And if you guys can help me hit that target, I will be doing a cryptocurrency giveaway, which you guys can join by simply subscribing to the channel, and for a bonus entry, following me on Instagram. Link to that will be in the description box down below. So according to Coinbase, Derivadao is the second top gainer in the last 24 hours. Obviously, we've got VGX here at the top, which I have already made a video on it. So if you haven't checked that out, go check it out. But yeah, let's get straight into it. In the last hour itself, DDX has gone up to $1.56 by 86% up in value. As you can see, in the space of an hour, it's gone from 88 cents all the way up to $2.06, so more than double its value in the space of about 45 to 50 minutes, and right now has taken a slight dip in value. Over the day, 127% up, over the last week 118, and over the month is a massive 74% up. So going into the CoinMarketCap website here, scrolling down, we can also see here that the trading volume has gone up by a massive 6,200% in the last 24 hours, making it $2.5 million in trading volume. However, I am expecting this percentage to go much higher than what it is at the moment, and the trading volume to go way above the $3 million mark over the next couple of hours. But what I'll do towards the end of the video, I'll do a refresh on this website to see if this has changed. So let's get straight into it. On the screen right now, we do have the candlestick pattern chart with the Fibonacci scale, which I'll be using later on in the video to do some technical analysis. But for now, let's just hide this, and I'm going to bring out the MACD indicator to do some price prediction, as I'm pretty sure that's what most of you guys are here for. So at the top here, we've got the purple line running across the chart, which is the SMA indicator, giving us the average value of DDX, which is currently 84 cents. However, it is trading at a much higher value, nearly double its value at $1.59, meaning it's performing quite well and much better than expected. So what I'm going to do now is zoom in into the 30-minute chart for the short-term traders, and then move on to the hourly, daily, and weekly chart. But before I do that, just a little disclaimer, guys. This is no financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor. Anything I say is from my own prediction and my take on this crypto, and any gains or losses you guys make, I will not be responsible for. So zooming into the 30-minute chart, we can see the blue line and the orange line are both looking bullish, going in a positive direction, and they are looking quite steep as well. But obviously the only reason for that is the major increase that's taken place here. The graph thinks, you know what, it's going to keep pumping, it's going to keep going up in value, it's going to keep going for a bull run, so on and so on. But obviously that is not the case. It has to drop back down in value. And again, as I keep mentioning in most of my videos, whenever you see a crypto doing a huge percentage increase in a short amount of time, exactly like what's happened here, the crypto has to take a little dip, it has to come back down in value, and the exact same applies here. So as you can see, we can already see a red candlestick here. I am expecting more drops in value on DDX over the next couple of hours. However, that does not mean it won't pump. Of course, we are going to see green candles, we are going to see red candles, we may see it even go back up to above the $2 mark in between that time. But what I'm saying is the overall outcome towards the end of the day today and early hours of tomorrow seems to be more on the negative side, so potentially dropping below the $1.40 is what I'm expecting. But again, do expect it to be volatile. Now moving on to the hourly chart, next couple of days, again we've got steep lines, but again that is not realistic at all. So if we go by what the chart is saying, is basically over the next 7 days it's going to keep pumping, it's going to keep going up in value. Of course that's not true, but I'm expecting it to go the other way, which is the negative side. So over the next couple of days, towards the end of this week and early next week, I'm expecting it to slightly drop back down in value, potentially hovering around the $1 mark is what I'm expecting. And again, That doesn't mean we're going to be consistently hitting red days for the next 7 days. Of course not. We are going to have days when it's up, green days and days when it's down, red days. But the overall outcome seems to be more on the negative side. So slowly and steadily dropping down to about the dollar mark is what I'm expecting towards the end of this week. Now, moving on to the big boy daily chart. What can we see here? Again, the blue line is still looking very steep, going in a bullish direction. And the orange line is slanting towards the positive direction. Again, an overall increase in value is what is expected over the coming weeks. So mid to late August, we should again expect an overall increase in value on DDX, and hopefully we should be fluctuating around the $160 to $180 mark, somewhere around there, potentially even hitting the $2 mark. But again, we've still got a good 6-7 weeks left for that time, and anything can happen between that time, guys. Literally anything. We can see the crypto market pumping up in value, or we can see a crash again. Hopefully not, but again, things are unexpected. So what I have done for you guys is created a Telegram group chat where I'll be showing you guys daily price updates and predictions on cryptos like Bitcoin, because obviously Bitcoin plays a major part in the crypto market. If we see it dropping heavily, we are going to see most cryptos dropping. However, if we see it pumping, then most cryptos are also going to follow and pump up in value. So what I have done in that Telegram group chat, I'll be showing you guys what cryptos I'm buying and selling, and I will also be showing you guys daily price updates and predictions on Bitcoin, what to expect, what to predict, is it going in a bullish or bearish direction, and what price target is likely to hit. So if you guys want to get involved, the link to that will be in the description box down below. It is currently on offer for $14.99 a month using discount code DEC10 for 50% off. However, this discount code here is only valid for the first 100 members that join, and over half the spaces have already gone, so there is literally a limited amount of space left before it jumps back up to $29.99. So again, don't worry, for those of you guys who do get in for $14.99, it will stay at that price for as long as you stay a member. So what does this subscription include? You're going to get put into 2 group chats. One is where I'm showing you guys what cryptos I'm buying and selling. The other one is just a general chat where you guys can ask questions, discuss cryptocurrencies, new projects, and that is also where I give you guys daily updates on Bitcoin, on what to predict, what to expect. Obviously, this is an old screenshot from about late May, but yeah, you get the gist of what happens in the group chat, and I give you guys analysis and predictions on different cryptocurrencies that you guys request for in the group chat. Again, if you guys have any questions or any queries before you sign up, simply send me a DM on Instagram and I'll try and get back to you as soon as possible. If not, the link is again in the description box down below. Anyways, back to Derivadao we go. As you can see, there isn't much technical analysis I can do. Only reason for that is not only are we in the red zone, but we are in the lower part of the red zone, which is not looking too great. And for us to even hit the green zone, we're going to have to hit $4.05, which I'm not expecting from this crypto right now. We are too far off, and I'm expecting it to drop back down in value to around the $1 mark. So essentially, we're going to have to go for a 350 to 400% increase, and nothing like that is expected. So most of the year, it's likely we will be trading in the red zone, but that doesn't matter. As long as we slowly start to increase in value, slowly and steadily heading towards the green zone, that should be enough. But hopefully next year, we should be able to head into the green zone. So yeah, these are my takes and my predictions on Derivadao, guys. Let me know what your expectations and what your predictions are. How high or how low do you guys predict this crypto to go? Let me know in the comment section down below, and I'll be reacting to your comments in my next crypto update on Derivadao. So as promised, let me just refresh the page. It's on $2.5 million right now. So let's refresh it. Again, it's only been about 5-6 minutes anyway, so it's not going to have a major impact. Wow, 3.6, it's gone up by $1 million in a space of 5-6 minutes. So yeah, I'm expecting this crypto to go even potentially hitting $5 million trading in the next hour or two, or even less than that. But yeah, that is pretty much it, guys, for today's video. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, make sure to leave it a like, and also a massive thank you to every single one of you who have been subscribing to the channel, as it helps me out a lot and means a lot to me as I'm trying to hit 100k subscribers as soon as possible. And on that note, I'm going to end the video here, and I'll catch all of you guys in my next crypto update, which should hopefully be later on tomorrow. Until then, take care and peace.